Hi students, good morning. Today I discuss a topic, a line from the vertex of a triangle divides the length of the opposite side and the area of the triangle is the same ratio. It want to prove in general. Therefore, consider a triangle ABC. Draw a perpendicular line from C to AB, that is the height of the triangle ABC. It is represented by H. This base is AB. Therefore, a line drawn from C to E divides into two triangles. One is AEC, another triangle BEC. Here find the areas of the triangle. Here one triangle is AEC. How to find the area of the triangle AEC? Area of the triangle AEC, half of base. What is the base of that triangle? AE. Height to that triangle, a line drawn from the one vertex to the opposite side, that is the height. Therefore, height is CD. Therefore, area is half into AE into CD or H. Similarly, second triangle, consider second triangle BEC. Then what is the area? Area is half into base into height. Here base is BE, height CD. Then ratio of the areas of the triangle. Two areas already you are find out. One is triangle AEC, other is triangle BEC. Therefore ratio, what is the ratio? Half of AE into CD divided by half into BE into CD. Here half is common, therefore it is cancelled. Similarly, height CD, that is cancelled. Remaining AE by BE. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle AEC by area of triangle BEC equal to AE by BE. Question number 1. Then again find the, what is the, again find the ratio of the side. What is the ratio of side? Ratio of the length by which divided the opposite side AE and BE. Therefore, take the ratio AE by BE. Therefore, area of triangle AEC, area of triangle BEE, already AE by BE. From these two conditions, area of the triangle's ratio is equal to the area ratio of the length by which the line divides the opposite side. This is the main point in this chapter. Then what is the main point? A line from the vertex of a triangle divides the length of the opposite side. Opposite side, that ratio equal to the area of the triangles. Okay? In any triangle, the bisector of an angle divides the opposite side in the ratio of the sides of the angles. Ratio of the sides of the angles. Therefore, first consider a triangle ABC. Then in triangle ABC, CD is the angle bisector. Angle bisector of angle C. Therefore, angle bisector means a line divides the angle in equal portion. Therefore, here 60 degree, therefore this 30 degree, or 30 degree, therefore this line divides into 15 degree and 15 degree. Therefore, this is the angle bisector. CD is a angle bisector. Then again I draw DE perpendicular to AC. Similarly, DF perpendicular to BC. This is the height of the triangle ADC DE. Triangle DBC height is DF. Therefore, again consider two triangles. This is divided into two triangles. That triangle, first triangle is ADC. Second triangle BDC. In triangle ADC and triangle BDC. In triangle ADC and triangle BDC, want to prove these two triangles are equal. How to prove these two triangles are equal? Triangles, three conditions want to equal. I want to prove first condition DEC, that is the angle CED. CED. Similarly, CFD are two angles 90 degree. Reason, draw a perpendicular lines. Therefore, CED equal to CFD 90 degree. First condition out. Then second, what is the two triangles in equal portion? Second is CD is common for two triangle. Common for this two triangle. CD equal to CD common. Then again already given angle ECD equal to angle FCD. Reason, CD is the angle bisector. Therefore, two triangles are equal. Two angles are equal. These two angles also equal. Therefore, third angles also equal. What is the angle name? CDE, CDF. These two angles are equal. Reason, angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? Sum of the angles of the triangle is always 180 degree. Therefore, two angles are, example, two angles are 60, 30. Another triangle, two angles are 30, 60. What is the third angle? 180 minus 60 minus 30, 60 plus 30, 90 degree. Therefore, third angle is always 180 minus 30 plus 60. So, what is the answer? 90 degree. Therefore, using that angle sum property, third angle is also equal. Then, therefore, these two triangles, angle CDE, triangle CDE, triangle CDF are two equal triangles. Reason, three conditions are equal. What are the three conditions? One is angles are equal. This is a common side. Third angle is also equal. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. Reason, ASA. Reason, ASA. What is ASA? Two angles and included sides are equal to the two angles and included sides of another triangle. Therefore, two triangles are equal. Then, two triangles are equal. Corresponding parts. What is the corresponding part? DE. This triangle corresponding part DF are equal. Reason, corresponding part of equal triangle. Then, two triangles are equal. Here, find the area of ACD. What is the ACD? ACD area half into base. Here, height already you got. Therefore, what is the base? AC half into AC into DE. Similarly, area of BCD. What is, how to find out BCD? half into base. What is base? BC into height DF. Therefore, two areas you are find out. Then find the ratio. Ratio of these two triangles, half into AC into DF by half into BC into DF. Heights are equal, therefore these two are cancelled. DE equal to DF, therefore DE DF cancel, half cancel, therefore what is remaining? AC by BC. Then you are already studied in general first condition, areas of two triangles equal to AD by BD divided into equal ratio. Then here now already prove AC by BC. Therefore, AD by BD equal to AC by BC equal to area of two triangle. What is the area of triangle? Area of the triangle ADC is to area of triangle BDE. Then we conclude from this question, in general, in any triangle, the bisector of an angle divides the opposite side in the ratio of the sides. Sides means AC by BC. Therefore, you want to find out the area of the two triangle, find the ratio of the given two sides. AC is to BC. Okay.